how to... Where am I?
Yeah, in
How do I get out?
go this way. For the colors. Just keep on going.
Okay. So, yep. I'm about to prove my friend James that you can use lava instead of coal. And Tobuscus, I know you have a bucket of lava, so I advise you stop putting all your coal and use that. So bucket of lava. Okay, let's do that because I don't want to drop it on my...
If I can.
If you can, he owes me 5 pieces of wood. Ready?
Or 20 wooden planks.
Or 20 wooden planks. Oh! Look at that! Look at that!
Okay, take 20 wooden planks.
Yep, I'll take my betting money one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Does it last a long time?
Yeah. Look how it lasts.
Well, get more iron.
I want to get more buckets.
No, get more iron.
I don't... Where? Where am I supposed to get more iron? That's my last iron. I have no more iron. Oh my gosh!
Are they fully grown?
Yes.
I kill one.
Fine, I killed 2. Well, let's wait for them to lay more chickens. Eggs.
Yeah.
Let me use some of your eggs, see if they...
I don't have any more eggs.
You wasted them all?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some more lava then. See you soon, chicklets. No, don't get out. Don't get outside. Oh my gosh, they're attacking me. Ah! Go away.
That's what she said. No, seriously, can you help me with this? Please. It's like a nightmare.
It's our policy. Where are you?
It's a nightmare. Oh, you guys should really watch Brian Regan.
Yeah.
He's a comedian. Go on YouTube and type in Brian Regan.
I'll make ourselves a trash can.
Okay.
It's gonna be right here.
Now we can use coal again for torches. Oh, what's your say? Are you gonna help me with this? So whoever finds diamond first gets it. The other person cannot mine it. And if you find it and I mine it, I will give it to you. That's the policy of this kind of thing.
That's not a nice policy. Oh, I got an egg.
Really?
Yes.
Save him.
Whoops.
It's better to do it in packs. You wasted it, didn't you?
Yep. I wouldn't say so much as wasted.
Iron!
Yay, more buckets of lava.
Well, come on if you want to help and get more buckets of lava. If you look down, like straight down, you might see me.
So let's see if I'm right here and I throw it in there.
What are you gonna throw?
Like trash if I throw it in there. If I throw it up, yes, it'll land in there. Good. Now for the 2 buckets. Oh, I got another egg. I'll be the egg collector.
Yeah.
For no reason whatsoever.
Hey, if you look straight down, you will see me.
Hopefully our chickens won't run into the trash can while I'm trying to build it.
Oh yeah, that's another thing.
Oh my gosh! Get out of there, chicken.
I'll make it like 2 stories. You bad chicken.
No, what are you... Look.
Chicken, no! No!
Chicken, be smart. No, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Wait till he moves. Just wait till he... Don't push him in there.
I'm trying to do the opposite. Get out of there. Go.
Get out of there. Get out of there. No, I was gonna do something else.
No. You're something else.
No, I was gonna put like right here. Put them right here. Oh, that's
No, what are you
gravel.
doing?
No, dude, trust me.
No, watch. It's gonna work. Ready? I'm gonna throw your gravel in there. So, what? You have to.
No, it's my gravel.
So watch.
Or you could just go like this.
Yeah, just throw it in. See? Chickens can't get in there. Ooh, another egg. Let me put in the bank.
Okay, come on, dude. Help me with this thing.
Let me get some more lava. Lava's good for you.
It's not even halfway.
Wow. We're gonna need to get some more wood. Yeah, because it's gonna waste and... No, I threw it in there.
What, the bucket?
Yeah.
Why'd you do that?
Do I look like I know what I did that?
Yes.
Oh, okay. In that case... No, do not escape. That chicken really wants to go outside. See you guys soon.
Yeah.